Tony 2 times. Cause it take 2 times to do what you couldn't do with 2 miles. And you never get another chance. MBS family, I'm here to show you guys, if you're having a white screen of death problem, I'm here to show you how to fix it. So first of all, I tried everything. When I tell you I tried everything, I tried everything. I tried to reinstall it. I tried to literally close it, exit out, uninstall, reinstall. I tried going here and seeing what the properties are like, maybe fix something here. Nothing worked for me as I was sitting on the white screen of death. Nothing worked, but I figured it out. And what I did was I opened, after uninstalling and reinstalling, I opened it back up and I went to settings. Now I noticed that during the night, even YouTube was giving me some problems. So I figured it was my internet. That was the one thing that was on my mind the entire time. Looking it up, a lot of people said maybe your graphics card isn't intact, but I have a T1000, which isn't that good, but it's way better than a 2012 graphics card that was used when WIZARD101 first came out. So I did balloon active. I turned that off. Classic mode. I don't even know what that is, but I have it off. Full screen. I turned that off just so I do not keep getting a big fat screen, and when I press my Windows key, it won't allow me to do anything else. I turned smoothing off and I put my resolution at the bare minimum so that it doesn't run at any high frequency at all. I like my UI size on micro. I don't like that big stuff all in my face, and it looks pretty neat when it gets smaller. So if you're having trouble with the white screen, try this. Uninstall it. And when I mean uninstall, I mean literally go here, right? You can uninstall it right there. And then I reinstalled it. I'm playing on EU, so that's where I thought a lot of this was coming from. It drove me crazy for about 2 hours. Uninstall it, then install it back. Once you have it back, make sure you get in your settings and put everything on low or not active at all. Also, I did check my graphics card, right? Device manager. Display adapters. This is my T1000. It says it's working properly, so I didn't even understand why. Everything was up to date. I wanted to update it, so I searched and it was completely up to date. Make sure your drivers are up to date. Make sure your graphics cards are up to date. None of that worked for me. The only thing that worked for me was making sure that this is running in the lowest resolution with nothing else going on. No bloom, nothing. And it finally worked. So that's the end of the video today. If you liked it, like, share, subscribe, and I'll be back with another tutorial. Alright, peace. I'm tired of this pain, man. I'm tired of this drama. I knew this shit was over when I lost my baby mama. Can't forget about the past, but forgot about Devonna. Gotta do shit all at once, trying to forget about the trauma. I hate Instagram, show and tell for designer. I just want the pain to end, but can't forget about my mama. My brother, he's so lost behind a code, he always bonded. Can't forget about those ones who tried to kill me, pay them homage. The things I do for you.